Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your Facebook password in 2025 using the Facebook's official mobile application. So whether you are updating it for security reasons or you just forgot your old password, make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the reset options you are logged out. So first of all, you need to launch your Facebook mobile application just like so. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Over here, tap on the menu icon or the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the settings icon in the top. Now here in your settings, you need to just simply use the search bar here in the top and search for password. Now if you are able to find the password option over here, you need to simply tap on that and proceed with the further steps. Like here we have the password and security, and if I tap on this option, you will be landed in your password and security page. Over here you will see the option of change password, so tap on change password option, then select which Facebook account you want to choose in order to change your password. So I currently have only this one, so I'm going to be tapping on it. Now here it will ask you to provide your current password, so you need to provide that. Then you can create a new password, then you need to confirm your new password. Make sure that your new password is strong and it use a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Once you have entered, simply tap on the change password option or the update password option and you will get a confirmation that your password is now changed. You may also be logged out of the other devices for security reasons. Now if you are logged out and if you have forgotten your password, you will have to follow an extra step in which you need to simply tap on the forget your password option. Then you need to select how do you want to reset your password, like via sending the code on your email address or via Facebook notifications. So let's say I'm going to be selecting this one, then press continue in the bottom. Next, a 6-digit code will be sent on your email address, which you need to put over here and then press continue. Then you will see the new password creation option where you need to simply create a new password for your account, confirm it and change it successfully. This is how you can change your Facebook password in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips, comments if you want any other guide on any other topic. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.